Nearly a decade of effort. A new number will launch all across the United States on Saturday. 988, a three-digit suicide prevention line.
Utah lawmakers were key in making this happen. For Healthy Mind Matters, new specialist Ayanna Likens spoke with a mother about the importance of this new mental health tool.
The mother I spoke to went through pain that no one should experience. Unfortunately, many Utahns have. Suicide is the leading cause of death for those 10 to 24 in our state. But with the launch of 988, this mother is hopeful it will save lives.
Hannah's amazing.
And promises,
Bright and beautiful.
how to be brave.
16-year-old Hannah Warburton was full of life,
When I'm
a singer and an all-star martial artist.
Took down the boys on a regular basis, which was funny to watch because here's this beautiful girl that could just kick butt.
One night in 2014, Hannah called her therapist in crisis, but
Please leave your message for
no one answered.
That was her last phone call. We certainly would have done anything we needed to do to save our daughter, and yet we couldn't find them. We couldn't find good resources.
Such a loss felt by so many. Utah lawmakers heard from too many families who had felt that pain of losing a loved one to suicide.
The tragedy with Hannah was she actually reached out and she got a voicemail.
That's why Senator Daniel Thatcher worked on a three-digit suicide prevention phone number for Utah.
The smallest child, if they know what a phone is, they know how to get police, fire, and ambulance. It's as simple as 911.
That 2014 bill failed. Fast forward to 2016, Senator Orrin Hatch and Representative Chris Stewart heard Thatcher's idea. Then came 988, a national suicide prevention line.
I think 988 is going to change the world.
You can dial 988 starting Saturday, and at any time there will be a mental health professional for you to talk to.
And we hope and we expect that within a short time, everyone in the country knows I can get help if I call 988.
There's just so much that is unknown.
Rachel Lucenski is the Director of Community Crisis Services at Huntsman Mental Health Institute. She says that ability to quickly reach a crisis counselor will make a difference.
It really is a very brief time-limited window when someone's in a suicidal crisis where they consider taking their life to acting on it. And if someone can dial 988 during that time and get the hope and the support that they need, we're confident that suicide deaths can be prevented.
In the past year, Utah Suicide Prevention Line has received over 102,000 calls. That's an 11% increase from the year before.
We hope that as people continue to use these resources and call in and people see, oh my gosh, more than 100,000 calls to the crisis line, that really illustrates the point that you're not alone.
She was fun.
And for Hannah's mom, Laura, 988 means everything.
I mean, it's just phenomenal. There's not anyone that won't remember 988.
With the launch of 988, mental health experts expect an increase in calls. Huntsman Mental Health Institute said they've been preparing by hiring more mental health specialists. They are hoping to still hire some more. We'll put a link up on our website at ksltv.com.
And starting Saturday, you can call